This is Lab 3 for Anatomy and Physiology for Speech, Language, and Hearing, Spring Semester 2011 by Ckaono. For this assignment, I chose to construct a model of the human larynx. The larynx is made up of the hyoid bone, cartilages, membranes, muscles, nerves, and sphincters. The first structure that I'm going to talk about is the hyoid bone, and that is this white structure right up in here. It's like a U shape. There are three important parts of this bone. There's the body of the bone, or you might want to call it the corpus. Then there is the lesser cornu, which are these little notches right here. And there's one on each side. And then there's the greater cornu, which is right here and right here. Okay. Alright. The larynx actually has 3 unpaired and 3 paired cartilages. I'm going to talk about the unpaired and then the paired cartilages next. The first one I'm going to talk about is the cricoid cartilage. And it's actually this purple structure right here, and it's the only one that goes all the way around the larynx. As you can see, it goes all the way around. It actually sits right on top of the trachea, so this is the trachea right here. So you have the cricoid cartilage that sits right on top of it. It does have 3 important landmarks. There's the anterior arc, which is here. And then there is the posterior lamina, which is right here. And then you have the articular facets right down here. And right up in here. Basically where the cartilage they can join here. So that's what that is. Next, unpaired cartilage is the thyroid cartilage, which is this very large blue cartilage right here. It is actually the largest in the larynx, the largest cartilage in the larynx. There are 5 very important anatomical landmarks. There's the lamina, which is here. Then you have the thyroid notch, or the thyroid prominence, which is right here in the front. Just going to fix that just a little bit. There is the superior cornu, and those are these right here. Here, and then here. It's actually the ligament can attach here onto the hyoid. Then there are the inferior cornu, which are down here on the bottom. And then there's the oblique line, which are these, the faint line within the cartilage here. And there's one on the other side as well, right up in here. The last of the unpaired cartilages is the epiglottis, and that is this pink structure right here. It's an elastic leaf-shaped cartilage, and it actually attaches all the way down right. If you went all the way down, it would attach right about here. So it's pretty deep down there. Alright, moving on to the paired cartilages, we're going to talk about the arytenoids, and those are right here in the back. Let me see if I can move it closer so that you can see. Alright, so they are right here. They are pyramid in shape, I guess you can say, and they play a role in movement. There's, the rocking, the gliding, rotating motion. They have a big role in that. It has 3 anatomical landmarks. There's the muscular process, which is here, and over here. Vocal process, which is right here on the inside. And then you have the apex of the arytenoid cartilages, and they're right below this red, these other red cartilages. It's just right there. Because these red cartilages I'm about to talk about is the corniculate cartilages. They are elastic, and they do sit right on top of that arytenoid cartilage right up in here. The next set of cartilages I do not, not that I do not, it was kind of difficult for me to put it on here, so what I did is I made a separate model as if you were looking inside of the larynx, okay? And this is what it would look like. And basically, if you're looking in, what you would see here is the roof of the tongue, but you would also see the third pair of cartilages, which is the cuneiform. I had just showed you earlier the corniculate cartilages, which are these red, this red pair right here that sits right on top of the apex. The cuneiform the corniculate cartilages are here. Well, they're located right here. Here and here is the same as here and here. And then you have the cuneiform, which are just right about below on the side here. Here and here. So if you're looking down the larynx, you'll see the vocal cords here. And then you have the false vocal cords, which is this green area here. And then you're going to have the epiglottis right up in here. And like I said, you have the tongue right there as well. The cuneiform cartilage are also elastic, and they help the membranes of the larynx. And that concludes my model of the human larynx. Thank you.